Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's 5-minute radiology tutorial, we're going to clearly understand two very important concepts, photon fluence and image contrast. These two terms decide how your X-ray image finally looks, whether it's sharp, washed out, or beautifully detailed. So let's get started. Photon fluence simply means how many X-ray photons strike a particular area of the patient or detector. Imagine raindrops falling on the ground. The more drops per square centimeter, the higher the rainfall intensity. In the same way, more photons per unit area equals higher photon fluence. Mathematically, photon fluence equals number of photons divided by area. And the main factor controlling photon fluence is MAS. When you increase MAS, you are increasing the number of photons emitted by the X-ray tube. So, high MAS, high photon fluence; low MAS, low photon fluence. This is why MAS directly controls image brightness and quantum noise. But the real magic happens when photon fluence interacts with tissues, and that brings us to image contrast. Image contrast refers to the difference in densities between two tissues on an X-ray image. High contrast means bright whites and dark blacks, very defined. Low contrast means the image looks flat or gray, fewer visible differences. This is the key point. Photon fluence directly changes the image contrast. A. High fluence, lots of photons. More photons reach the detector. More scatter is produced. Differences between tissues get reduced. Result: low image contrast. B. Low fluence, fewer photons. Less scatter is produced. More difference in absorption is preserved. Result: high image contrast. So in simple terms, more photons equals more scatter equals less contrast. Fewer photons equals more absorption differences equals higher contrast. While MAS controls photon fluence, KVP controls penetration. And penetration also changes contrast. High KVP, high penetration, more scatter, low contrast. Low KVP, low penetration, less scatter, high contrast. This is why chest X-rays use high KVP for low contrast and extremities use low KVP for high contrast. Let's quickly summarize everything in one table. Factor, effect on fluence, effect on contrast. Increasing MS, fluence. Decreasing contrast, increasing contrast. Increasing penetration, increasing contrast. Increasing penetration, increasing contrast. This table alone can help you answer exam questions and improve your practical imaging quality. So that's photon fluence and image contrast in a simple and clinical way. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more radiology lessons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.